Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is trigonometric identities, and in that class we take and discuss some important questions based on them. Now in today's class we take and solve some other important questions of your syllabus based on these topics. Okay, so let us take some important questions and simplify them. Okay, dear students, look, if cos theta is equal to if cos theta is equal to if cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5 if cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5, find the value of cot theta plus cosec theta. Find the value of cot theta plus cosec theta. Okay, so there are so many methods to solve that type of question. To solve that type of questions like that, dear students, let's see its solution. First of all, we have cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, so first from there we find the value of sine theta by the help of the identity. Either you can solve by forming the right angle triangle. In this way you also find the value of sine theta and cot theta. So we just find the value of cosec theta and cot theta by using the identity. Let's see. So since we know that sine square theta is equal to sine square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. This is your very important. This is the very important identity related to your syllabus. Okay, now look. So now from there we put the value of cos theta as 3 by 5. So here we get sine square theta is equal to 1 minus the value of cos theta is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 whole square, 3 by 5 whole square. Okay, so we get sine square theta is equal to 1 minus 3 is 9, 5 5 is 25. Okay, we are squaring them. Now we simplify it. So we get what? This is 25 minus 9 upon 25. So from there we get as sine square theta is equal to sine square theta is equal to 25 minus 9, that is 16 upon 25. 16 upon 25. So the value of sine theta is equal to, in square root, 16 upon 25, that is 4 upon 5. That is 4 upon 5. Okay, now 4 upon 5. Now there, in this way we find the value of sine theta, that is the value of cosec theta. Cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. So 1 upon sine is what? 5 upon 4. This is the value of what? Sine cosec theta. This is the value of what? Cosec theta is 1 upon 5 upon 4. Okay, dear students. Now, so in this way we get the value of sine theta as well as cosec theta. From there we find the value of cosec theta. Now also we find the value of cot theta. Since we know that since we know that students what we know that cot theta is equal to cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, we know that cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So from there we put the value of cos theta as what, 3 upon 5, and the value of sin theta, this is 4 upon 5. So 5 cancel to each other. So the value of cot theta is 3 upon 4. So in this way, by the help of the identity, we find the value of cot theta as well as the value of cosec theta. The value of cosec theta. Okay. Thus we find the value of this. So thus the value of cot theta plus cosec theta is equal to cot theta is what, 3 by 4 plus cosec theta is what, 5 upon 4. Cosec theta is equal to what, 5 upon 4. So we get, taking 4 as LCM, so 3 plus 5 upon 4 is 8 upon 4, so 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. Thus, the value of this is what? 2. This is the answer. So in this way, you can solve. So in this way, you can solve this type of question also by using the identity, algebraic, trigonometric identities. So in this way, you can solve that type of question. Okay. Now we take and solve some other type of questions related to yourself. Find the value of, this is very important question based on MCQ types. Find the value of cosec theta minus sin theta cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Equal to question mark. Okay, this is your question. Means you find the value of this expression. This is a very, very important question, most important type of question based on which topic? Based on MCQ types of question, dear friend. Because of your MCQ types of questions always says in that type. Okay. Now look. So cosec theta, this is the question, MCQ types of question based on identity. Now look, so first of all, we put the value of we have. First of all, we know that cosec theta is equal to what? 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to what? We know that sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to, we know that, cos theta upon sin theta. So we just using the identity, this type of identity in that questions. Okay, in that question, so we get here we put as cosec theta is what? 1 upon sin theta minus sin theta, write as it is. Okay, into sec theta we can write 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta, write as it is. Into tan theta we can write sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta, we write as cot theta. Okay, now from there we take sin theta as LCM, dear students. So we get what? 1 minus sin square theta. Here cos theta we take LCM as what? 1 minus cos square theta. We can write in this way. And here this is, we take sin theta and cos theta as LCM. So we get the cos of cancel. This is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. So we get as 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta, we can write upon sin theta, right as it is. 1 minus cos square theta we can write what? Sin square theta, and cos theta, right as it is, into sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? Its value is what? 1. 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. So now look, sin 1 sin cancel to each other, cos 1 cos also cancel to each other. So we get what? Sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta, right in this way. Okay, so sin cos cancel to each other, so the value of is what? 1. Hence this is your required answer. So in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of question, because of this is a question based on totally identities, and in this way you can solve each. So first of all, you know that each and every questions formula, each and you know that all the formula based on the algebraic identities. Okay, and here we use cosec theta as 1 upon sin, sec theta is 1 upon cos. So we put all the values. Tan theta is what? Sin upon cos, and cot theta is what? Cos upon sin. So in this way, after putting these values in that expressions, we simplify them. 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta. This is now taking LCM. 1 minus cos square upon cos theta. This is sin square plus cos square upon sin into cos. Now this is 1 minus sin, that is cos square theta. This is upon sin theta, right identity. This is 1 minus cos square, that is sin square theta. So here we can write this is. So now all these things, one cos cancel here, sin 1 sin cancel here, to sin cos theta upon sin theta, and denominator also we get sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Now after simplifying them, we get the value of its 1. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Now question we take and solve some other important questions. Some other important based on these identity. Let's see. Now dear friends, we take and solve some other important questions. Based on these identities. Okay. very important question is, so question is very important. Your question is find the value of under root 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. This is your question. Okay, find the value of 1 plus in square root 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. What I do for that? So first of all, we have what we have? We have as in square root, this is 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So different in that type of questions, first of all you do rationalization. We rationalizing them. For rationalization we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator, and here the conjugate of denominator is what? 1 minus cos theta. So its conjugate will be what? 1 plus cos theta. Now we rationalize them. Now we rationalize them. That is one plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so in rationalizing we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator. Okay, we must be multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of its denominator. Okay, now so look, now we simplify them. Look, so we can write as in square root, this is 1 plus cos theta, this is also 1 plus cos theta, so we can write 1 plus cos theta whole square upon a minus b into a plus b. This is the form of identity. So we can write a square minus b square, means 1 square minus b square. Okay, means the value of b is what? Cos theta. Okay, so look, so we write as in square root 1 plus cos theta whole square upon a square minus b square is a minus b, a square minus b, so we can write 1 minus cos square theta. And you know that since 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Okay, so here we can write in square root 1 plus cos theta whole square upon this is what? Sin square theta. This is what? Sin square theta. Okay, so dear students, now this is square, this is also in square, so we take common out from the square root, so we get this is 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. This is 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Now dear students, we separating them, so for that we get, in this way we get 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. Dear students, the value of 1 upon sin theta is what? This is cosec theta, so here we write as cosec theta plus the value of cos upon sin. The value of cos upon sin is what? Cot theta, so that is we get as cot theta, hence means this is your required answer. So in this way, so we simplify till this means cos theta plus cot theta. This is the value of the expression in square root 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions, okay, of your syllabus. Let's see. How? Your question is, if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to, if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find the value of, if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find the value of sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. So let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that type of question? This is the MCQ type of questions. Now look, first of all, given. First of all, we write given. Look, given the relation this is sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. So first of all, we simplify that relation, and from there we find the value of angle theta. We find the value of angle theta. Let's see. So we can write as sin theta is equal to cos theta transfer that side. This is plus cos theta, or we can write as sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 1. We can write now. So first of all, we transfer cos minus cos theta that side, so it becomes plus cos theta, and now we divide it in sin theta, so it is equal to 1. Now sin upon cos, sin theta upon cos theta is what? Tan theta is equal to 1. Now the value of tan 45 degree is what? 1. So from here the value of theta, angle theta is what? 45 degree. Thus the value of angle theta is equal to 45 degree. Now thus the value of the expression, now thus the value of the sin cos 4 theta plus cos 4 theta is, now we just put the value of theta as what? 45. We put the value of theta as 45. So put theta is equal to 45. We get, so here we put sin 45 degree to whole power 4 plus cos 45 degree to whole power 4. Okay. Now you know that the value of sin 45, the value of sin 45 is what? 1 upon under root 2. The value of sin 45 is 1 upon under root 2 to whole power 4 plus the value of cos 45 is what? 1 upon under root 2 to whole power 4. So we get what? So 1 upon under root 2 into 1 upon under root 2 is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 4. Means the value of 1 upon under root 2 to the power 4 is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now we take their LCM. So their LCM is what? 4. So we get 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, so that is 1 upon 2. So the value of the expression sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is 1 upon 2. This is your answer. So in this way you can solve this type of question. Please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay. Now your question is, now we take some other important question based on trigonometric identities. And your question is, if x is equal to a sec theta, x is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta, and y is equal to b tan theta, find the value of find b square x square minus a square minus 1, a square y square. We find this value. Okay, so this is also an MCQ type question. So here the question is x is equal to b. It is given that x is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. So we find the value of this. Now what I do? Now we take these expressions and we put the value of x and y in the given expression and we simplify them. So here first let's solve it. So first of all, given that a x is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. So the value of the expression b square x square minus a square y square, okay, is equal to, we put the value of x and y. So here this is b square, x value is what, a sec theta square, okay, minus a square, right, as it is. We put the value of y as what, b tan theta square, b tan theta square. Okay, now we simplify them. So we get what, b square into a square sec square theta minus a square into b square tan square theta. Now from there what I do, from there we take a square b square as common. We take a square b square as common, na? So we take a square b square as common. So we get what, sec square theta minus tan square theta. Dear students, the expression tan square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta is what, 1. This is identity now. Since, dear students, you know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what, sec square theta, so tan square theta transfer that side, so we get sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So the value of the expression sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we get a square b square into 1, that is a square b square. This is the required solution of the given questions. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT. Let's see what note here. The value of x and y is given that, okay, and we will just find the value of this. So we put all the values in this expression and we simplify them, so we get our result. Okay, so this is the very important question. Thus, dear student, in this way, in today's class we take and solve some important questions related to your topic. Now in next class we take and solve some other important questions related to your syllabus. Okay, so please first do and do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, now thanks to all.